Hi, my name's Jonathan Douglas and I'm the parts manager here at Tony Graham Toyota. Today I wanted to quickly talk to you about air filters. Now there's two main important things about the air filters that you might want to concern yourself with. The first is the air filter is designed to help air pollutants and particles from entering the engine. Second is the air filter is designed to regulate the airflow that goes into the engine. So if you're purchasing aftermarket ones, you want to be very careful because they're not designed to spec. Now, if you wanted to check your own air filter, there's a couple things you can do to determine if you need a new one or not. First thing, you'll have to open up the air box and grab the air filter out, like this. Now, visually, you can see right away if it's dirty or not, but just because it's dirty doesn't mean that you have to replace it. So the easiest thing to do is actually hold it up to a light source. If the light passes through the filter, it's still good. If the light doesn't, it's time to change it up. Now, most air filters run for $19.99 plus tax, and you can pick it up here at the parts counter.